Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 featured trade idea, the setup and trade plan for Monday, October 29th. This will have to be quick, so let's get to it. The featured trade idea will be Schnitzer Steel. There isn't much of anything that's even worth looking at today between earnings and these incredibly volatile markets with a bear trend still intact. It's hard to see any way. I'm not going to trade. That's the bottom line. But you do as you see fit. Schnitzer broke into an RBB here, is taking out the volatility stop, changing the trend to bullish. Hasn't proven anything yet. Long-legged doji has resistance above. However, if it breaks through that resistance, it's got a little bit of room to run with 5 to 6% up to that first target, and then on up to the second target, which will be about the 200 when we get there. That'll be about 11-12%. So let's go out to a weekly and look at those levels. You can see the touches from below and above at that level, that breakout level. You can see that this is a natural level. Let's move it up just a touch, with touches here and then there and then here and there. And then that second level up here, we got a touch there and some touches there and here. And even if we go on back, you can see how that topped out there before, around 32.40 something. So let's go back to the daily. Plan this out. Our first, our entry will be here. This is more practice than anything else. I have no intention of trading this. Come on. Oh, TC2000 is not working as it should this morning. Lovely. I know the volatility stops down here, but we need to move up before we get there, and frankly, I don't want it if it's below the 50. With the first target here and a second target there. So let's plan this trade. Okay, so you can see that Schnitzer only has 1 bullish and 4 bearish indications. That's not good, but earnings are out of the way. That's at least useful. We've got 3 full months before they roll around again. Let's plan this as if we're going to take it with 1 entry, 2 exits. So let's do a 27.90 entry with a stop at 26.95. I'm just picking numbers this morning. 29.70 as a first target, and 31.30 as a second target. It says we can do 157 shares. Let's try 150. It's probably going to be too much. Yep, way too much for this account. Let's try 100. At 100 shares, it's a reasonable size. Only gives us $95 of risk to being stopped out, which is certainly acceptable. If we sell half at that first target, we only pick up 1.89 to 1, so can we tighten that up at all? Let's just, for argument's sake, say we enter right at the high at 27.88. I don't think that's going to help enough, but let's see. Close enough to 2 to 1 for government work. And if we sold the second half at that second target up here, 31.30, we would make a little 12.25% on that last half, giving us 2.82 overall and a 9.4% trade. So that will be today's trade idea. Please be aware of the markets. Caution is the byword for the day. It does look like the futures are going to be gapping higher, but they've been very volatile. A lot of earnings coming this week, and it's hard to say how things will shake out. I don't think I will be trading at all for the first part of this week. Apple reports Wednesday. There's some other biggies this week, so it's time to be pretty cautious or pretty quick. So that will be the trade idea for today. If you take it, I wish you the best of luck. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe below. Hit that bell icon, and I hope you see you in the trading room.